Now I want to tell you what is the linear equations in two variables. As the chapter's name is linear equations in two variables, so before it, what is the meaning of linear, what is equation, and what are the variables? These 2-3 basic things we must understand. That what is the linear? Linear means, as you know, any algebraic expression or any polynomial. If I tell you polynomial is exact word, polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial of degree 1 is known as the linear polynomial. As I write here, polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial may have 2 variables, 3 variables, but if a linear polynomial has 1 variable and this is fixed with some value, some particular constant, then that relation, equality, become what? Linear equation in 1 variable. I am going to give you one example before I tell you what are the linear equations in 2 variables. First, I want to tell you the standard form of the linear equation in 1 variable and how it comes. Polynomial, you know, any algebraic expression of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus an xn. Any algebraic expression of the form a0, a1, a1x, a2x square, an xn, where what are the 2 conditions? That a0, a1, a2, an. What are these? a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, an. These are the real numbers. These coefficients are the real numbers, and n is non-negative integer. N is non-negative integer. So this is the definition of a polynomial. Suppose I am writing that is 5x minus 15 is a polynomial in x. 5x minus 15 is a polynomial in x, and its power of the variable x is 1. You know, every term involves 4 important things. The combination of the 4 things is known as a term, that is sign, plus or minus. Coefficient, that is any real number. Variable, that is the letter English alphabet we generally use, and power. So 4 things, that is the sign and coefficient. Coefficient means the number, that is the real number. Then variable, that is like A, B, C, or you can say consider X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. And after it, there is a power. So if 4 things are clubbed together, that is known as a. So my purpose is to explain you that Px is 5x minus 15 is a linear polynomial. Why it is linear? Because its degree is 1. So every polynomial of degree 1 is known as a linear polynomial. In case you want to fix the value of that linear polynomial, then we can write like this. Suppose I want to fix the value of this linear polynomial, that is, I want to make that the value of 5x minus 15 is suppose 10. 5x minus 15 is what value it has? 10. So 5x minus 15 was the linear polynomial. When it is equated to some particular real value, now it has become linear equation. If it is linear equation, then it has only one possible value. What is that possible value? In order to calculate that, we will transfer minus 15, that is the number to the right hand side and we will get 5x is equals to 10 plus 15. Then 5x is equal to 25, or you can say 5x is equal to 25 upon 5. And finally you can say the answer of x is 5 under this situation. So what is the linear equation? Linear equation in one variable is what when any linear polynomial in one variable equated to some value, you can equate it to 0 also. Suppose you have equated 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. Then what you can say? This is 5x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 3. So value gets changed with the equality. You can equate this 5x minus 15 as suppose minus 10. Then the answer of 5x is what? 5 and x is what? 1. So ultimately, what is the linear equation in two variables? Its standard form can be written like this. Any equation, linear equation of the form ax plus b is equals to 0, where mandatory necessary condition is that a is not equal to 0, is known as the linear equation in one variable. It has one zeros, that is it has one solution, that is it has one root. And what is the solution? The value of variable which satisfies the relation, the left hand side and right hand side makes equal, is known as the linear equation in one variable, whose standard form is ax plus b is equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the constant, and value of x, if it is solved, will be x is equals to minus b upon a, and necessary condition is a is not equal to 0. So this is about linear equation in one variable. Now I will explain you what is the linear equation in two variable, what are its solutions, how we represent it graphically, and what is its use in our further application.